everyone, welcome back to Baking with Bananas, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest baked chicken tacos that can be made in under 30 minutes, and they reheat really well. So let's get started. One of the easiest things about this recipe is that you can just use leftover rotisserie chicken and you only need 2 cups. Next, we're going to add in a 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes with green chilies, the original, and make sure you drain it first. And 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Alright, now we're going to add a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. You could also use lemon juice, that works fine. Alright, we're going to add this in and then we're going to mix everything together. Before you continue, make sure you preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to grab a large baking pan and line it with parchment paper. We're going to set this aside. We're going to lay out 10 corn tortillas on our baking sheet. Alright, now we're going to generously brush both sides of the tortilla with oil. This is going to help it crisp up in the oven. Alright, now we're going to sprinkle about half our cheese over the top of our tortillas. And it's okay if the tortillas overlap, that's just fine. Alright, we're going to evenly divide our filling between the tortillas. Alright, now we're going to bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they start getting crispy. Alright, I took them out of the oven. They're nice and crispy, and right after you take them out of the oven, you want to grab a spatula and we're just going to fold them over while they're still warm. Ooh, too far. There we go. And that's how you make these easy chicken tacos. I hope this becomes a new family favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. The good thing about this recipe is that you can use leftover rotisserie chicken, shred it up, and you only need 2 cups of the easiest recipe. What are you doing? Just not. No, there's something wrong. Alright, we're going to get some baking spray. Alright, we're going to generously Alright, now we're going to generously brush both sides. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. And that's how you make these easy chicken tacos. I hope this becomes one of your favorite ways to use up chicken. I know it is for us. No, it's... And that's how you make these easy chicken tacos. I hope this becomes an easy recipe to use up that chicken. No. What did I say?